Clothes dryer fires can have tragic consequences. In an incident in Ontario, 4 family members perished in their home. The fire started as a result of the dryer vent not being installed or maintained according to manufacturer's instructions. This tragedy devastated not only the family, but also friends, firefighters, and the entire community. For most of us, clothes dryers have become a part of our daily routine, but the leading cause of dryer fires in the home is lack of dryer maintenance. Here are some simple tips to help keep you and your family safe. Take a few minutes to read your dryer's user manual and check that your dryer is installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Having your dryer installed by a professional and according to the manufacturer's instructions is a good place to start in reducing the risk of a fire. Debris and objects blocking the outside exhaust opening for the dryer can be a serious problem. Move all objects and clear any debris that block the exhaust opening on the outside of the house. Also, check the vent flap opening to see that it opens. After every load of laundry, be sure to clean the dryer's lint screen. Lint can also be trapped in the dryer's vent pipe. Once a year, inspect and clean your dryer's vent pipe. Refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to do this. Only working smoke alarms can give you the early warning you need to safely escape a fire in your home. Install smoke alarms on every story of your home and outside all sleeping areas. The fire service recommends that you also install smoke alarms in every bedroom. Smoke alarms should always be tested once a month. Just as important as having working smoke alarms, everyone in your home needs to know exactly what to do in the event of a fire. You need a home escape plan, and you also need to practice that plan. Make sure you have a plan that's going to help anyone in your home who needs extra assistance, for example, young children, older adults, or people with disabilities. Following these safety tips can prevent clothes dryer fires and help keep your family and homes safe from fire.